Wanna see a cool montage? You know how they do, just one, and the bicycle is assembled? Well, not this time. Now you are stick with me, and we try to make this look like bike again. The reason I assemble everything, I just want to see if my plastic repair is done correctly. It's just a mock-up, and I will disassemble everything, and then I'm preparing for the paint. So let's do it, baby. Good as new. Well, it's impossible. Give up. What to do? Okay, this one in. Should we try and install the windshield?
Nope.
Let's do it. If I can get them out, how I will put them in, we'll see. I don't know how to put them in. It should be pretty much straightforward.
It's an urban legend that never happened. No way. We got you. Not a chance.
Will this be the hardest part of the assembly? God damn it. Maybe it's enough? Of course not. You must be kidding. This took me 1 day.
Oh, what a loser!
Yeah. Okay, let's mount it. Oh. I did 1 and 2 bolts, and I call it perfect fit. Let's don't waste any more time on that stupid thing. Well, after a successful first attempt to mount the front glass, I need a little bit of relaxation, and I think the most easiest part of it is gonna be this.
Are you sure about that?
What the fuck? This fits. This fits too. Okay, I don't have patience for that. Ah, you see what I'm seeing? I need more welding. Do you see? I was wondering why those are empty. It's because it needs to be attached with this. Oh well. I need additional rubber grommets in here because it's missing. Okay. Like it's never been crashed. Apart minor issues, I think everything went smoothly and I probably could start to prepare for paints. Well, obviously I don't change the tank because it's original and nothing what's holding the tank was damaged, so there's no use for me to replace it. For this mock-up, now I will disassemble everything and start to prep.